Poly ATA402 Setup. Today, we will show you how to set up your Poly ATA402. The Poly ATA402 is a device that allows an analog phone, fax machine, or alarm system typically connected via traditional phone lines to connect to a voice over IP network. The Poly ATA402 has 2 ports to connect a standard phone line in and 2 Ethernet ports. One to connect to a network and another to connect to your PC if necessary. Setup. First, plug in the network cable from your office network to the LAN port on the Poly ATA402 labeled LAN. Next, plug the power cord into the Poly ATA402 power socket port, then plug it into the wall outlet. Next, plug a phone line from your analog phone device into the phone port. If you are only using one analog phone device, make sure to plug the phone line into the phone port 1 on the Poly ATA402. With the Poly ATA402, you have the option to share an internet connection with your PC. To do this, the network cable for the PC should be plugged into the PC port on the Poly ATA402. The Poly ATA402 will take a couple of minutes to fully boot up and start functioning. LED status. If the light on the power icon is off, it means there is no power. If it is flashing green, the Poly ATA402 is searching for a DHCP IP address. If it is flashing orange, it is upgrading. Do not unplug power. If it is solid red, it is not operational. If the internet icon is flashing green, fast blinking, it means there is data activity on the internet port. If the network icon is flashing green, fast blinking, there is data activity on the PC port. If the light on the phone icons is off, the port service is not available. If it is solid green, the phone is ready, on standby. If it is flashing green, the phone is in use. You are now able to use your Poly ATA402 successfully with your analog phone or fax machines. Find more helpful videos on our HP Support YouTube channel.